Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. We're only a couple days till Christmas. In fact, this is our last regular show before the big day this Saturday. I'm so excited. As you know, I'm a huge Christmas fan. This is the apex of the year for me. I love it. So today we received 3 boxes from the North Pole and they're mystery unboxing. So we're going to unbox these, see what they are. I'm super excited to share them with you. I actually don't know exactly what's in them. So we are going to share in that excitement. I have a vague idea. You'll see where we're going here with this in a minute. But we're going to have fun doing that. Speaking of fun, are you guys in the running for the free record player we're giving away over on Beyond the Purple Suitcase, my wife's channel, where we're doing Vlogmas. We're nearing the home stretch. So if you go over there, links in the description below. You need to watch all of the Vlogmas shows. You have a couple of days to binge watch, and then we are giving away that Best Buy turntable free of charge to somebody in the United States or Canada. So that's going to be awesome, and I invite you to come over and check that out. But right now, it's time to dig into these packages. Welcome to Record-ology. All right, let's get right into it. We have 3 packages, small, medium, and large. Let's start small and work our way up. What could it be? What could it be? Let's open it up. Am I purposely hiding a logo from you guys? Would I do such a thing? Yep. You might have guessed it, guys. We've got 3 surprises from our friends at Reticus, and I really don't have an idea too much about what they are, but everything we've reviewed from them is awesome, so I'm looking forward to it. I remember how popular these were like in the early 2000s. This was like the coolest thing to have, the hand crank radio. I think I got one for Christmas. What's this switch under here do? Lithium ion or cell battery. I think that might be so you can charge your cell phone. Let's see if there's any like accessories in here. Okay, what do we got? I got a wrist strap. Yeah. Oh, okay, so that's a USB. Is that a USB-C? Huh, cool. I like it. I like when I see stuff with the modern connectors on it. There's the SOS switch and the hand crank. This is fun. I just... And then let's see if we can turn it on. Let's go to AM. And do we have enough charge? You know, I'm too impatient, so I'm just going to go ahead and load it up with some batteries. So, I want to see what this thing can do. You know, this is good. Use case on something like this. I have something similar, a red one that we reviewed not too long ago that is great for the car. I mean, just put it in your vehicle as an emergency, and yeah, that would be good to have.
2 weeks a year, the police. Lastly, we are a serious firm. Let's see you.
Digital tuner. Guess we should pull the antenna out, give it best chance. Let's go to FM.
Home loan with them. They'll show you how you might be able to skip
it is loud.
2 mortgage.
And then there's a weather band. So yeah, I mean, that's the essence of it right there. And it's simple. It's not like this is a cool design though. I think this design is cool, but it's this is a utility kind of thing. This is a safety kind of a thing. Just, you know, keep it if you're, you know, backpacking. You'll never run out of batteries because you have the hand crank, etc., etc. So that's cool. That is cool. So we'll set that off to the side. Now we'll go with the medium box. This one's weird because it's very, very lightweight. I mean, extremely lightweight, so much so that it feels empty. So I did take the plastic off these boxes so they weren't so reflective, but I have not opened them. What? Oh, one of these. Interesting. I didn't know we were gonna... Okay. So it's a Bluetooth FM radio headset. Now, I never had... Did you guys ever have these? These were popular like 10 years ago. Big time. Let's see what we got here. We got a micro USB. We've got extra earpieces, and then we've got the headset itself. Yeah, you put these things. They were really popular at work for a while. I remember people like to have these things on their necks, and then like as needed, they would put these earbuds in and then take them off. So that's interesting. Okay, well, I'm going to need to try that. So I'll be right back. By the way, in terms of controls, on this side here, we've got a power button, volume up and down, and then a play pause, and nothing on that side. So let me go ahead and try it out and kind of give you a review of what I think. I always feel really silly demonstrating stuff on camera like this, but yeah, they sound amazing. They sound a lot better than expected. This is very light and lightweight. The multi-function controls, oh cool, there's a little screen on there. I didn't see that. So you can actually, okay, so it's a volume variable, I guess. That's like the 79. Sound is phenomenal, better than expected because it does feel lightweight. These earbuds, look how small they are. They are really tiny, but the sound quality was good. I usually don't like in-ear kind of earbuds like this, but these fit good, and the sound was, like I said, surprising. The radio was significantly louder than the Bluetooth, so when I switched from Bluetooth to FM, I was like, whoa. But no, this is cool. I would recommend it. I was totally not expecting this whatsoever. But I could see this being cool in the gym, or I guess in the office, like where you have to take them out every once in a while and you don't want to have to go set them down. Because, I've reviewed a couple of the bone conductive headphones before. I'm not a huge fan because in the gym, you sweat and it gets really, annoying to have like this sweaty thing touching your face. Same thing with going on a hike or a walk. And the sound quality isn't so good. Plus, everybody can hear you if it's close to you because even though it's bone conducting, they're radiating so much vibrations that it sounds kind of like an active speaker if you're close to that person. This is a lot more private, so I would think that's good. And unlike earbuds, they couldn't just fall off. Like if you're ever on the treadmill and have an earbud, like a wireless one, like pop out and like go rolling around, that's annoying and very unsanitary. So I think this might be good for the gym. I'll have to try that out. So yeah, I'm going to recommend this one. So far, so good. Now let's take a look at the big box. You guys might be sick of hearing me talk about how much I like Reticus all the time, but I don't think we've had a bad unit from them at all. It's all been good. So this is the grand finale here. This is the largest of the three, and it is a radio. I mean, they specialize in radios. I mean, it's what they do. They've got a few headphone products like the one we just looked at, and actually their bread and butter is they do the paging systems for restaurants. Like you get a puck at a restaurant, wait for your room or wait for your table. That's what they do. That's their bread and butter. So it's a cool company, and everything's high quality. It doesn't feel gimmicky. Nothing feels like it's just retro to be retro, and it's form over function kind of a thing. Everything just feels legit and really cool. So yeah, this is cool. This is a shortwave radio. So it's FM medium wave, which is the same as AM shortwave, and it's a 4-band radio. Very cool. It's got that same portable form factor that we've seen in some of their other products that were very popular, including that very basic AM FM radio. This one does have Bluetooth as well. There's the band select. Looking on the side here, we've got a headphone jack, a tuning knob around back. It is battery operated, but I think you can power it off of AC. In fact, I'm pretty sure of it. Yeah, again, everything feels high quality. Let's see if I can get this to close, right? It was kind of tricky to get that in, but we got it. And yes, does have AC power, which is great. Does it have a cord? Yes. Okay, cool. I didn't see it pop out over there. It's like, well, it's good that it's got AC, but if they don't give you a cord, then it's kind of tricky. All right, let me go ahead and power it up, and we'll see if we can raise anything on shortwave. Usually, especially during the day, that's kind of tricky, but let's see what we can find out. Okay, so let's start by extending the antenna and put on radio mode. This is on, off, and volume. Very much a digital tuner. Some people don't like the digital tuners. I like them. To me, it's great because you lock in your signal so strongly. I think that's a really good thing. Yeah, great sound. Let me go over to AM or medium wave.
In my mind, is fully paid for by higher tech.
Sounds like AM radio. So the plastic feels kind of lightweight. I mean, it doesn't feel, it's not like a texture. It's got a little bit of a texture, I guess, but they could improve on that. A good metal grill that feels legit. Let's go over to Shortwave and see if we can pick anything up there. This band select is, it's hard to get on the exact one there, but let's try that and just see if we can find some international radio here, some kind of shortwave. Almost get that one. Yeah, we may have to wait till nighttime to get anything. I'm going to switch over to long wave here. Yeah, it's not backlit, unfortunately. Let's see if we can pick up any long wave. Kind of stuck with AM, FM. We'll have to try it again in the evening. That being said, this is cool. I mean, it's got a, I think it's fun. I like, oh, function. Okay, function. I was like, yeah, it is fun, but that's kind of interesting. They put in a function. Okay, took me a second. So yeah, Bluetooth, and I'm not going to test that out. I mean, the speaker sounds good. It's got the old school chrome looking dust cap, which makes me smile. Very vintage feel there. The band select, the on and off. I mean, it's solid. It's a solid little radio. I would assume that the reception at night is, you know, a lot better than it is during the day for the shortwave, which is typical. But this is a cool radio. I'll put links to in the description below to this stuff in case you want to snag any of it. Probably won't be able to get it before Christmas at this point, but if you have like an Amazon gift card or some spending money, you might be interested in something like this. Or perhaps you celebrate another holiday coming up soon and you want to buy for that. That'd be fine too. Anyway, just want to thank you guys for being there and for watching these shows. It means a lot to us. However, we've got more fun coming your way because even though this is the last regular episode, I might be cooking up a couple of surprises later in the week. You're not going to want to miss them. Plus, we have the Vinyl Nation exclusive show this Friday. If you're not a member of the Vinyl Nation yet, check the link in the description below and find out how you can get an extra show every single Friday. Whew, so much going on, guys. We're pumped. We're right on the verge of this awesome, awesome holiday, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. But that's going to do it for now. Happy record hunting. We'll see you later.